Hi, hello and salam. Welcome to Quello's Garden. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow us on Instagram. Hi and welcome back. Today is the last episode of my salad season. I hope you have been liking my recipes. If you haven't watched them yet, please find the link on the top right corner. Today we're making an easy Quinoa Tabbouleh Salad. Let's first start with boiling our quinoa. I'm going to be using chicken stock to boil it for the flavor. I've used 1 cup quinoa, to which I'm going to be using 2 cups of chicken stock. Once you see it boil, lower the flame, leave it to boil with the closed lid for 10 to 12 minutes until the water is completely absorbed. Now we will chop our vegetables. First I have some fresh parsley, which I'm going to finely chop. Parsley is a great source of vitamins and has like a very unique flavor which combines well with salads, omelets, sides. It's amazing. Then I have here some fresh mint leaves which I'm going to chop as well. And mint is great for indigestion, rich in nutrients, another great source of herbs. Then I'm going to add some fresh coriander. Now this is optional, you can add it if you like. I like the flavor of it, so I'm going to add it. Now I'm chopping some spring onions, which is a great source of minerals and is also low in calories. Then we add some tomatoes, which I've removed the seeds using a spoon, and then I've chopped them. Now in a bowl, I've added all the veggies. I had some green olives which I've added as well. Quinoa is also ready, which I'm going to add into the bowl and mix into the salad. Now the dressing for this salad is very basic and very simple. We don't need much since all of the salad ingredients already have a lot of flavor. I'm gonna just in a small bowl squeeze some lemon, olive oil and some fresh ground pepper. Mix it all well and drizzle it over the salad. And there you go, our delicious Quinoa Tabbouleh salad is ready. If you like this salad, please like and leave your comments below. Also let me know what would you like to see me cook in my next video. See you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye! Thank you for watching my video. Leave a comment below if you've liked my recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and you can follow me on Instagram. The account link is in the description. See you on Sundays, Tuesdays and Fridays.